Mike Alpha on course now.
That's Mike Alpha, back on course.
November 2 Papa Alpha, speed 180 to Tugs, tower 19.5.
180 to Tugs, tower 19.5, 2 Papa Juliet.
Pittsburgh Jet 40, speed 170 to Tugs.
170 to Tugs, Pittsburgh Jet 40.
Over 1 Golf Tango, speed 170 to Tugs.
170 to Tugs, 1 Golf Tango.
Pitch at 849, 200 knots.
200, exit at 849.
Pittsburgh Jet 40, tower 19.5.
19.5, Pittsburgh Jet 40, bye.
Pitch at 849, 6 from Nippy. Nippy at 3, Umbel at 2, cleared RNAV Yankee 19.
Nippy at 3, Umbel at 2, cleared RNAV Yankee 19, exit at 849.
Colonel 1119, turn 30 degrees right immediately.
30 right immediately, Colonel 1119.
Colonel 1119, traffic alert, 10 o'clock, 2 miles, turning right at you and descending. Type unknown, indicates 3200.
It's tight, Colonel 1119.
For 1 Golf Tango, speed 170, tower 19.5.
170 and 19.5 for Golf Tango.
Colonel 1119, speed 170. Looks like he's no factor now behind you.
Yeah, got him at tight, 170 on the speed, Colonel 1119.
Papa Tango, you'd expect the descent at about 10 miles.
Sound, come on, Mike Alpha. We have haze in front of us, so we're going to turn slightly northbound towards Honap, and then plan on coming in from there on RNAV 24.
Number 6, Mike Alpha, did you want the practice RNAV 24?
That's Mike Alpha, affirmative. We'll take a practice RNAV 24. Vectors direct Honap would be great.
6, Mike Alpha, turn right direct Honap.
That's Mike Alpha, direct Honap.
And was there another aircraft calling out down Pacific? Number 6, Mike Alpha, was this speed of a full stop, or did you want something after that?
Yeah, come on, Mike Alpha. This will be a full stop.
Number 6, Mike Alpha, 8 miles from Honap, maintain 2,500 till established, cleared for the RNAV 24.
Come on, Mike Alpha, maintain 2,500 established, clearing for RNAV runway 24 bridge.
54 kilo, Roger. And did you want a squawk code there? Mike Alpha, contact tower 120.5. Good day.
Come on, Mike Alpha, going tower 120.5. Island South Tower, Commander 976 Mike Alpha, with you on RNAV 24.
Commander 976 Mike Alpha, Allentown Tower, good evening, wind 2004, runway 24, clear to land.
Come on, Mike Alpha, good man, runway 24.
Altitude.
Wind 2103.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.